What are some natural scents that can repel cats?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's topic, natural scents that can repel cats. We love our furry friends, but sometimes they can get into places they shouldn't, like our precious gardens or off-limit rooms. Today, we'll learn about some natural scents that can help keep cats away from certain areas without causing them harm.
Why do some scents repel cats?
Before we get into the specific scents, let's first understand why certain scents repel cats. Cats have a much more powerful sense of smell than humans. Some smells that might be pleasant or barely noticeable to us can be overpowering and unpleasant for cats. Therefore, using these specific scents can act as a natural deterrent.
What are some natural scents that repel cats?
Now, let's explore some of the natural scents that can repel cats. 1. Citrus. Cats dislike the smell of citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. You can use peels or essential oils from these fruits to keep cats away. 2. Rosemary, lavender, and mint. These strong-smelling herbs can deter cats. Plant these in your garden or use their essential oils as cat repellents. 3. Eucalyptus and pine. These trees produce strong, distinctive smells. Their oils or fresh leaves can help repel cats. 4. Vinegar. Vinegar's strong smell can deter cats. However, use it with care as it can harm plants. 5. Mustard and cayenne pepper. Cats dislike spicy smells. Sprinkling some in your garden can keep cats at bay. But be careful, as these can irritate a cat's skin and eyes.
How to use these natural scents?
It's important to know how to properly use these scents. For instance, never apply essential oils directly to a cat as it can be harmful. Instead, you might soak a cotton ball in the oil and place it in the area you wish to deter your cat from. For solid substances like citrus peels or spices, simply scatter them in the desired areas. Remember, the goal is to deter, not harm. That wraps up our list of natural scents that can repel cats. By using these scents, you can keep certain areas off limits to your feline friends in a non-harmful way. Always remember, our aim is to coexist peacefully with our pets while ensuring that both we and they have our respective spaces. See you in the next video, where we'll tackle more interesting facts about our beloved pets.